A new type of bank is about to start, where you can get loans up to 3 lakh without any collateral and at a very low interest rate. By depositing just 1000 rupees, anyone can become a shareholder in this bank. And then you get access to easy loans and multiple benefits. How will this bank work? Who can join in it? And how is it so easy to get up to 3 lakh? I'll explain everything today in very simple language. Welcome to another video of Bosswala English YouTube channel. This is Akshara. In today's video, the bank we are going to talk about is a completely new model. Its purpose is to financially empower people, help them to start their own work, and offer low-cost loans whenever needed. And the biggest highlight is this bank will run in a completely different way. No heavy paperwork, no collateral, and no 12 to 18% interest like private finance companies. Let me clearly tell you, this entire bank system is specially designed for the beneficiaries of the Grihalakshmi scheme. Meaning, this bank is created only for women, and its name is Grihalakshmi Bank. It is going to be launched on 28th of November. The purpose behind launching the Grihalakshmi Bank is very clear. For many years, self-help groups have been supporting thousands of women. But even today, many private finance companies charge very high interest and create pressure on families. Grihalakshmi Bank is being set up to solve these issues so that people can get safe, affordable and easy loans. Now let's talk about what are the rules to become a part of this bank. Number 1. Deposit 1000 rupees to become a shareholder. Meaning once you pay 1000 rupees, you own a share of this bank. Number 2. All transactions will be cashless. No cash deposits or withdrawals. Number 3. You can deposit 500 rupees or 1000 rupees every month. This will be your savings, which later qualifies for you for a loan. Number 4. Loan starts after 6 months, meaning 6 months after joining. You become eligible. Number 5. Loans from 30,000 to 3 lakh available very easily. Number 6. Only personal loans will be provided for home, education, work, any requirement. Number 7. Interest rate similar to nationalized banks. No high interest pressure like private companies. Number 8. Joining is completely voluntary. No one is forced to participate. Now, let's understand how will this bank actually operate. Number 1. Small groups will be formed, like 4 to 10 members at a village or a ward level. 4 to 10 women will form a small group similar to a self-help group. Number 2. Savings from the 2000 rupee scheme. Beneficiaries who receive 2000 every month can deposit 500 to 1000 rupees out of it into the bank. Number 3. Loans up to 4 to 5 times of the annual savings. For example, if 10 women save 2.4 lakh in a year collectively, they can get loans up to 3 lakh. Number 4. Very low interest. 4 to 7% only. Where private companies charge 12 to 18%, Grihalakshmi Bank will charge only 4 to 7% interest. Number 5. No collateral required. You only need Aadhaar, bank account, Grihalakshmi card. No property papers, no guarantor, no pressure. Loan eligibility is also very simple. Anyone who is a Grihalakshmi scheme beneficiary has joined a group and wants a loan for self-employment, small business, children's education, medical needs, small farming related activities, any micro enterprise. This loan can be used for many types of needs. Grocery shop, fruits or vegetable cart, tea or snack stall, mini tractor or farming tools, school or college fees, emergency medical expenses, stitching, embroidery, women-led business. So if you want to be a part of the system, then start these 3 things right away. Form a group of 4 to 10 beneficiaries in your area. Registration starts from 19th of November. Get it done with the help of Anganwadi workers or Stree Shakti groups. Start saving rupees 500 to 1000 every month. The official launch of this bank will be on 28th of November. So friends, getting a loan up to 3 lakh without any collateral with low interest and simple paperwork is a big transformation in itself. If you found this information useful, then do share this video so more people can benefit. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.